What's up, what's up, what's up everyone? It is Jason and welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling pretty fresh today. My new suit, yes, super fresh. Today I'm gonna start off the weekend with you guys right here, my channel, my community. Grateful for each and every one of you guys supporting me and the hustle that goes on here with all of the content on the channel. So what's on deck for this weekend? Well, we have a lot in store for you guys and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. 3 amazing celebrations, 3 after parties, 3 totally different vibes, 3 totally different venues, and we're traveling all over the Northeast today. So tonight we are starting off our weekend with Sunil and Marissa. We're here at the beautiful Ryland Inn, part of the landmark family of properties, which we are so grateful to be able to work at all the time. On deck today we have a lot of different stuff. Intelligent lighting option 1, we've got our sax player, we've got a whole diverse playlist of music, and we've got some country influence tonight. Tomorrow we're taking the party to upstate New York. We're going to Troutbeck, where we are gonna be helping Mia and Vic celebrate their wedding reception with a lot of SCE style, flair, and energy. That wedding's gonna be very different. It's a tent outside. We're going inside for the party. There's an after party. We're staying up in northern New York for the evening tonight, as well as tomorrow night. And then Sunday, we're bringing the party back down here to another landmark property where we'll be hosting Oscar and Joanna's wedding celebration. This couple is just awesome. They're industry friends. They both work within the industry. There's gonna be a lot of VIPs in attendance, and I can't wait to take you guys through all of this craziness on deck. So real quick, I wanna offer a very quick suggestion. If you're a DJ and you're looking to be busy and you're looking to do multiple events in a weekend, how do you stay on top of everything? Well, you have to be super organized. You have to take really good notes. You have to triple check your information, your pronunciations, your song requests or do not plays. You have to really take the time to do the homework. I think that's the biggest thing I would offer to anyone that's looking to push up in the wedding or event industry. In any area, you have to take your time to do the work. Be super thorough. Tomorrow when I wake up, and we'll be in northern New York when I wake up, I'm gonna do a little workout, then I'm gonna go through all the stuff once again for like the 4th time, and then we're gonna record some content. Anyway, I'm just trying to share a tip with you. Be sure to do your homework. Be sure to take your time to review everything. Be sure to take great notes when you're talking with people so you don't get flustered, you don't get lost, and you don't get confused mixing events and styles and requests or do not plays with one another. I think that's the key here. Anyway, little bonus tip for you. We're getting ready to get the celebration started. And again, I want to take you along for the ride. So sit back, relax, enjoy this wild weekend of a lot of different stuff going on right here. And I'm going to share some of my favorite playlists from this weekend. And you can find that link in the description of this video, along with some of the links to some of the gear that I'm using. And if you have questions about anything at all that I'm doing, I'm gonna say it now, I'm not gonna say it again, but throw it in the comments underneath this video and I'll do my best to either respond to you, offer a solution, or just communicate back and forth with you. I love checking out the comments and the support here on the channel, and I'm grateful for all of it. Anyway, equipment, playlists, and more in the description of this video. Be sure to check that stuff out if you want the behind the scenes of the behind the scenes, and enjoy the footage. If you like the footage, be sure to smash the thumbs up, and again, leave some love in the comments down below. Anyway, it's time to get this party started, so let's get moving. I think we are finally ready to get tonight's celebration started. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, family and friends. Good evening, table side of the room. It is an honor to welcome you all right here to the incredible, the beautiful, the awesome Ryland Inn, and of course, and more importantly, to the long-awaited wedding celebration for Marissa and for Sunil. Before we go further, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jason, here on behalf of the SCE Event Group. Be my honor to be part of the audio landscape for your enjoyment right here tonight. Now, the party starts out here. It continues inside till 1 a.m. with the newlyweds tonight. Yes? We're gonna dance the reception portion inside, and we're gonna extend that 2 hours with an after party for you all to let loose and enjoy with, okay? I've got one question for everyone right here in this room. I've got one question, especially for this table tonight. By round of applause and by a whole lot of noise, who here is ready to get this celebration started? Are you ready or what? I expected a little bit more out of this side of the room and a lot more out of this side of the room. Let me ask that question again. Who here is ready to get this celebration started tonight? We came here to celebrate love, life, and all the goodness that exists in the universe with two amazing people starting their family, and we get to dance the entire evening away right here tonight. It is time to bring in the reason we are all here tonight. So I need you to get your hands ready. I need you to get your voices ready. And I need you to make some noise as we bring in the reason we are all here tonight. So please show your love for the newlyweds and make some noise as we bring in the brand new Mr. and Mrs. God I need you all to turn up. I need you all to make some noise. I need you all to scream and shout for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Farmingdale. So I need you all to dig deep. I need you all to let loose. I need you all to turn up. And I need you to make some noise as we introduce the reason we are all here tonight. Let's make some noise for the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Scalisi making their way on in. It's going to be one of those moments that they're never going to forget. And I hope you guys don't either. This right here, their first dance together as husband and as wife. Everyone make some noise. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And they have selected a beautiful song. Settle down. Some noise for Marissa on the floor.
No way was I lying, I can't believe it. Make pretty sense of the phone too. Last time I looked at this man, feet. Talking about I don't take the city. You know you look fine. And I say shit I don't mean. But I'm still gonna wake up on you and me. I know it last night. We had to wake up talk. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you?
That's time to get our celebration started right here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, can everyone make some noise for the reason we're all here tonight?